Afrobeats, a sound born in West Africa, now echoing across the world. It blends African rhythms with hip-hop, dancehall and soul, a rhythm that makes the body move before the mind even thinks. From Lagos to London, from Accra to New York, Afrobeats is breaking borders, filling stadiums and topping charts. It's not just music, it's identity, it's culture. It's Africa's heartbeat shared with the globe. Wizkid, Burna Boy, Thames Rima. They're all part of this movement. A movement that started in the streets of Lagos and Ghana. A movement that makes you want to dance. No matter where you are in the world, no matter what language you speak, Afrobeats is universal. It's a celebration of life, love, and movement. And as the beat drops, we fade into the crowd. This is Afrobeats.